These headphones stopped working. After tearing this apart, I noticed that it had only physical switches. I used a screwdriver to press the button and there was light.
It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive.
Then I connected my phone. This side worked perfectly, the other side didn't work at all. After some inspection, I noticed that a cable was disconnected. If I hold it to make a connection, it would start working. So I just have to solder this. I don't have much experience with solder. But after some time I did get it. I tested it and it just works perfectly. I am applying some glue to make the connection stronger. I also fixed PC mouses without any experience. Watch the video on the screen to find out how many was I able to fix.